is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna go meet up with my friend who's a brand new rider. She just got a Ninja 400, so yeah, she's not really comfortable riding in traffic yet, but we're headed to work, so told her I would meet up with her and kind of guide her, you know, through traffic, things like that. So yeah, let's get to it. There you go. Now you got to give it a little bit more gas. People behind you get pissed off. So how do you like the bike so far? Flowers? Like stickers? Oh my god. See, you turn really well. Like a lot of people, they try to fight the turn, but you like turn in, like you lean into the turn how you're supposed to. All right, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. I see you. No, it's okay. Just go slow and then just look to your left. Like I'm gonna come over, so this car's gonna stop. And then you're good behind me. And then I just, so like what I like to do is like I make sure that traffic's not gonna hit me when I'm straight ahead, and then I'll look over my shoulder. But I always, you know, because looking over your shoulder, you take your eyes off the road ahead of you, and that could cause some problems if you're not ready for it. Yeah, I just, on my way over to your place, I had to use like the audio, but it's really good. Because it'll say like stay second from left lane, and like I never used the audio until I had a motorcycle. So it's always best just to go faster than traffic to get over than it is to wait for traffic. I always am like on offense when I'm like going to merge and shit, and I always get over in this far left lane. Yeah, but yeah, I just slowing down for traffic because they're already expecting you to go faster than them anyway, you know what I mean? It's a nice day out though. It's like, it's a cool breeze, but the sun's warm. I mean, you look comfortable on the bike. It doesn't look like, yeah, it doesn't look like you're scared to ride. You're just scared of other drivers. I know what it is. It's always best to get over one more right here, but there's a van, so sorry, we'll just slow down. All right, you can get over. I just always like to be out of the way of merging traffic when I can, you know what I mean? I just need my coffee, man. I feel tired. I've been feeling tired all weekend. That's where that car flipped. You can see where he hit it. God damn, he was probably drunk. There's no way you hit that not being sober, you know? I always like to be in the middle lane when I ride on this island. No one ever sees you. Yeah, she could barely see over the steering wheel. All right, I'll see you.